What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Apple tutorial. As you can see from the screen, today I'm going to talk to you about how you can add funds to your Apple account. Now, this is basically the same thing as iTunes Pass that Apple has implemented in other previous iOS, only this time they call it Apple Account, and I believe that this is going to be here to stay. So basically what this does is it's the same way as how you would use iTunes Pass, but I've had a lot of people asking me questions on how to add money and what you can and can't do with the Apple account card. So basically what this is nothing more than you going out and buying a physical version of, say, iTunes account or iTunes gift card, whether it's in denominations of $10 to $15 or $20 or whatever denomination you buy. This basically just shows you exactly the balance you have on your card. Now, with the balance that you have, it allows you to basically buy, just like it says in the thing below where it says ready to use, you can use this in the Apple Store or shop online. So basically, if you download the Apple App Store, you can purchase accessories online with this. Of course, keep in mind that whatever balance you have on here, you would need to have a valid debit card or credit card to repay the remaining balance. I think a lot of people are getting confused with that, but yes, you need that in order to do this, as well as you need a valid Apple ID, which basically means your iTunes, your email address and password that you use to create an iTunes account. And you can also use this to buy in-app purchases on games. Now, the only games that I'm familiar with that I have done a video on is for the Roblox, because that seems to be a very popular game, and a lot of people are confused as to how you can do that. So that's how that works with Roblox. And again, if you have Roblox and you don't know how to add money to the account to use it to spend in the game, I'll drop a link down below so you can watch that video, as I did make one for that. But for any other various games aside from Roblox, again, I don't know, because I don't have those games. I don't really play a lot of games on this. So you kind of basically have to follow whatever the app is asking. Now, if it sends you to a third party site where you have to make an account and do all of that, then that's up to you whether you want to do that or not. But beyond that, if you can't buy directly inside the game, then that I don't know. So you either have to find another video that shows you how to do that. But in that essence, that's basically how that works. Now, again, if you're buying Apple products online, again, whatever balance you have that is remainder from what you're buying, you need a valid debit card or credit card. So basically what that means is that I have $15 on this Apple account, which is basically mine. Say I want to buy an iPad mini. Well, an iPad mini is about, say, $500. That means whatever I have left, $15 minus $500, I would need to come up with the remaining balance. That's how that works with any type of purchases that you are doing with the Apple Store App Store online. Same thing as if you went into the store and want to buy any type of Apple product or accessories. Whatever balance is left, you need to have a debit card or credit card and a valid Apple ID in order to use that. So I'm going to show you how to add money to your account the same way as Apple has done it before. When it comes to adding it before in other previous videos, you simply would just go into the App Store, and then from there, as you can see, it's the App Store storefront. You're going to tap on the right hand corner, which typically will have a picture of yourself or a letter of your name. You tap on that, and then from there, as you can see, it shows my balance is $15.07, just like on the Apple card. You can either do redeem card or code, which basically means that if you're doing it this way, what you do is you're buying a physical card, you are using the camera to take a picture of the code, just like in the picture, and then it automatically adds whatever the amount of funds that you have purchased on that card. Or you can do it the other way, which is where you simply just add money on its own, and you can do this either with the predetermined denominations that are here, or you can tap on other, and then you can add whatever amount that you want. But again, in order to do this, you do need a valid iTunes account. Basically means that you need an email address and password in order to use this, and that's how that works. A lot of people were getting confused with that because they didn't really know how to add funds to it, but you do need that in order to add funds or to purchase anything in the App Store or in the Apple Store app. So I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any other questions. I'll try to answer them as best I can. But again, most of the questions that I get for a lot of the different apps that have, for different game apps, I don't know. I've only did it for the Roblox app and I did do a video on that. So again, I'll have a video down below for that if you have the Roblox app. But for any of the other apps out there, I don't know. You kind of have to follow with whatever the instructions are for that. So again, I want to thank everybody for watching. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Please feel free to browse my channel. I do have a lot of other Apple tutorials if you want to take a look at those. And again, my name is Black Appeal, the Apple Guy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your summer.